Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement. And today we're taking a look at this NOCO Boost Sport. This product was sent to me and I love this thing because this is perfect for our little Bronco Sport that we got. See, this is a 12 volt, 500 amp, basically a jump starter that you can put into your car and have in case of an emergency. It comes with these jumper cables that plug right into this port here, and then that allows you to jump off your car if needed. But it's also much more than that. See, it's also got lights for in case of an emergency, and you can brighten and dim these lights, and then it's got flashers if you're set off on the side of the road and you want to use this as kind of a signal flare. And on the back side, you also have two USB ports. A USB-C that allows you to charge this as a fast charge, and then a USB-A that you can use to charge your phone or other items while you're on the go. And on top of all that, look at the size of this thing. This thing is small and compact, and when you pair it with those cords, this takes up very minimal space in your car, but it's great in an emergency situation. Now, the one thing you have to realize about this, the Boost Sport, is this is for a 4-liter gas vehicle. Now, NOCO makes a bunch of different versions. The ones for gas, for diesel, for larger engines, smaller engines. You just want to make sure you get the one that's right for your car. So please make sure that you're looking for that before you pick your jump starter. But what you really want to know is what I recommend this to you. And to be honest with you, I absolutely would recommend this. Now, we keep this in the Bronco Sport, which my wife mainly drives. But for either of us, this removes the concern of having to find somebody to jumpstart your car. This removes the concern of you being left alone without a jump starter. Also, if you're stuck in the middle of the night, you have a flashlight. You have a flashlight you can put out at the back of your car to make sure that other cars see you as you're changing a tire. And if you're on the go camping or something like that, you also have a power bank. It's an all-around great product that we love and we added to our car not only for the safety, but also for the convenience. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.